Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Outlook REST API with graph permissions, complete guide step by step clearly. To authorize Microsoft Outlook REST API with graph permissions, start by registering your application in the Azure portal. Navigate to the Azure portal and log in with your Microsoft account. Once logged in, select Azure Active Directory from the left-hand menu. In the Azure Active Directory section, click on App Registrations. At the top, click on the New Registration button. Provide a name for your application in the name field. Select the appropriate account type for your application under Supported Account Types. In the Redirect URI section, select Web and enter the URL that users will be. Click on the Register button to create your application. After registration, you'll be redirected to your application's overview page. Take note of the application, client, ID in the directory, tenant, ID for later use. Next, navigate to the Certificates and Secrets section on the left side. Click on the New Client Secret button to create a new secret for your application. Enter a description for your secret and select an expiration period. Click Add and be sure to copy the generated client secret value immediately, as it will not be visible later. Now, head to the API Permissions section in the left menu. Click on Add a Permission and select Microsoft Graph. Choose the type of permissions you need, either delegated permissions or application permissions. Find and check the relevant permissions for accessing Outlook data, then click Add Permissions. After adding permissions, click on Grant Admin Consent if it's required for your application. Make sure the permissions show a green checkmark indicating successful consent. Next, create the authorization request URL to obtain the authorization code. Format the URL with your client ID, redirect URI, response type, and the scopes you need. Open a web browser and navigate to the authorization request URL you've created. Log in with your Microsoft account and consent to the requested permissions. Once you consent, you'll be redirected to the URI you specified, and the authorization code will be provided in the URL. Copy the authorization code for the next step. To exchange the authorization code for an access token, you'll need to make an HTTP POST request. Create a request to the token endpoint using your client ID, client secret, authorization code, redirect URI, and scope. Use a tool like Postman or write a script to send the request. Upon a successful request, you will receive an access token in the response. Store the access token securely, as you will use it to authenticate your API requests. Now, you are ready to make requests to the Microsoft Outlook REST API using the access token. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.